Okay, mga kasuro, good afternoon. This is day 29 of your Ako Bicol Cup Kamsur Legs. So, we welcome you all dito sa Goa Sports Center. Ang una nating laro is Siruma versus Lagunoy. And for the first point, we have Geriba. Okay, first game, we have Siruma. First five, we have Guevara, Pelonio, La Madrid, Paano, and Santa Ana. And for Team Lagunoy, we have Benuero, Bacares, Paak, Libreja, and Moreno. 3-point shot, no good. Rebound by Pelonio to Paano. Paano with the ball. No. Pass to Geriba. Geriba for 3. Gets it. 3 for Geriba. So, first 3-point of the ball game is for Team Siruma for Geriba. So we have Cares. Pass to Libreja. Pass to Bacares at the outside for 3. Gets it. So another 3 for Team Lagunoy at the other end. Paano orchestrating the play to Geriba. Again, back-to-back 3 ba? Wala. Rebound by Libreja. So Libreja with the ball pushing. Pass to Bacares again for 3. Gets it. 2 for 2 for Bacares Christian. So early lead for Team Lagunoy with 5-6 score. Libreja with a steal. Libreja lays, blocked by Pelonio. So it will stay with Lagunoy basketball. Libreja now with the ball. Pass to Moreno for 3. No good. Rebound by Paak. Nakuha nila Madrid. Geriba nagmamadali. Pass to Santa Ana for 3. He gets it. Another 3 points for Team Siruma. And a pass break for Team Lagunoy. Benuero to Paak for 2 points. Pelonio now with the basketball. Pelonio being harassed by Moreno to Geriba. To Santa Ana drives. Pass again to Geriba. Geriba fakes drive. Gets the 2 points for Geriba. So now we have 10-8 in favor of Siruma. Bacares again for 3. Gets it. Christian Bacares for 3. Here comes Siruma. Pelonio dribbling the basketball. To Geriba. Back to Pelonio. 2-man game. Fakes. Pass to Paano. Paano for 2. Gets it. Michael Paano for 2. Benuero. Pass to Bacares. To Benuevo. To Moreno. Settles for 3. No good. Rebound by Bacares. To Benuevo. Steal by Santa Ana. Santa Ana now with the basketball. Settle for 3. Gets it. Another 3 points for Team Siruma. So umuulan ngayon ng 3 points dito sa Goa Sports Center. Again, Bacares for 3. So again, we are inviting all of you to join us here at Goa Sports Center. Kung hindi naman po kayo makapunta dito, pwede kayong manood sa ating mga social media page. So again, another 3 for Santa Ana. So it's raining threes here in Goa Sports Center. So timeout ngayon ng Lagunoy to get a breather. So they will talk things over. Timeout si Coach Tony Linso. So pag-uusapan nila how to stop that 3-point siguro. And right now, leading is Team Siruma because of that massive threes that they are bombing against Team Lagunoy. So again, to all the viewers, we're inviting you po. We're live here at Goa Sports Center. And also, if hindi kayo makanood, hindi kayo makanood live, you can also watch us on Facebook through Representative Saldico page and other Ako Bicol social media. And also we have also a TikTok account. Please do like and share. Now, it's Lagunoy basketball. Libreja to Barnuevo. Barnuevo with the ball. Crossover. Pass to Bacares. Bacares again for 3. No good. Rebound by Paano. Being harassed by Barnuevo. Na still gets it. Barnuevo. 2 points. So now, it's Team Suruma with Pilonio dribbling the basketball. Orchestrating the play. Lumusot. For 3. No good. Rebound by Giriba. Giriba, another 3. No good again. Rebound by Libreja to Barnuevo. Blocked by Giriba. Rebound again. 2 points for Barnuevo. So, it's 18 all. To Santa Ana. Settles again for 3. No good. Rebound by Barnuevo. To Libreja. Libreja now with the basketball. Lumusot dire-diretso. Wala. Strip by Pilonio to Paano. Now Paano with the basketball. It's a foul. So, Paano fished that foul against Paak. So, we have a glove here. Change tayo ng tao. Nagpalit ng tao ang team si Ruma. Pinahingan si Pilonio and Paano. Now, it's number 23. That's John Martires. Barnuevo now with the basketball to Moreno for 3. No. Rebound by Martires. To Hio. To Santa Ana for 3. Gets it. Santa Ana for 3. Gets it to go. So later on po mga kasama natin si Coach Peter Barcelon. So, yan. So, Barcenas. Barnuevo for 3. No good. Now with the ball is Giriba. To Santa Ana. To Baila. The big guy. Gets it for 2. So, right now, mga kasurog, mga kasama natin ang poging-poging Coach Peter Barcelon. Hi, Coach.
Good afternoon, everyone, and happy viewing to all. Apologies, medyo na-late kasi, Coach, when I was coming from Naga pa kasi ako,
Yes,
tatlong aksidente yung nadaanan ko,
Nako,
mga banggaan.
Isa din yan sa ayaw nating makikita, Coach.
Oo, and yun, grabe yung traffic na nangyari. And sa lahat po na be safe pag
Yes,
nagda-drive. And back to the ball game, Coach Paul.
So we have Santa Ana for 2. Gets it to go. Now Barnuevo with the basketball. Dire-diretso. Kinaliwa pa, Coach.
Oo, and
Kinaliwa pa
napansin ko, Coach, nung pagdating ko dito is maulan.
Yes.
Eh, nanonood din ako sa Facebook Live natin. Mukhang maulan din yung umpisa ng
Maulan ng 3 points kanina, Coach. Nagsasagutan lang ang dalawang team. So, Barnuevo now. Nagdadala ng bola with the basketball. Humingi ng screen kay Paak. Paak now. It's a turnover. Out of bounds. So, bola ng Siruma.
Kung hindi ko nakikita, Coach Paul, yung isa sa mga notable players ng Lagunoy, itong si Iyoy
Yes,
Belica.
So, mamaya we'll get update with Belica kung bakit hindi siya naglalaro ngayon or not suited up for Team Lagunoy. So there's a foul on number 8. Number 5 for Team Lagunoy. That's on Paak. So pinalitan siya ngayon. Lorenciano. So there's a technical no timeout. So right now we will have a report from Carmela. So Carmela, pasok.
Panibagong araw na naman mga kasurog at panibagong mga bakbakan ang matutunghayan natin ngayong hapon. And right now, we are live here dito sa Goa Covered Court and witnessing the matchup between Team Seruma and Team Lagunoy. As we can see dito sa ating first quarter, lumalamang ang Team Seruma. Kanina nga nakausap ko ang head coach ng Team Lagunoy at ayon sa kanya, this game is very important to them kaya they really have to step up and win this game. Kaya sabi niya ang goal nila is ma-convert nila lahat ng offense at walang masayang na position, lalong-lalo na wala ang kanilang dalawang point guard kaya doble trabaho na lang at focus sa game. Kaya mga kasurog, sit back and relax kaya marami pang update dito sa matchup na ito. This is Carmelo Hernandez, your courtside reporter. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
So yun,
Thank you very much, Carmela. And yun nga, sabi nga natin, di natin nakikita yung Yoy Belica and absent pala talaga.
yes coach. So this is also a very important game pa rin for Team Lagunoy. So kailangan nilang ipanalo talaga to. Kasi baka coach magkaroon ng triple tie sa bracket nila.
Yes, and by my calculations, if ever man magkaroon ng triple tie, unfortunately, itong Lagunoy would be on that third spot.
Yes coach.
So, ang mangyayari, Goa would be number 1 and Sangay would be number 2. Now, if they would win this game and they will be praying na matalo yung Goa mamaya against Tigaon, then they are going to be the number 1, number 2 yung Sangay. Kasi they will have the win over Sangay, kaya sila yung magna-number 1. So, kailangan nilang ipanalo tong laro na to and they have to hope na matalo yung Goa, which is going to be a very big task para sa Tigaon.
Yes coach. So again, this is a very important game pa rin for Team Lagunoy. And for Team Seruma naman, again, kanina sabi ko coach, they have nothing to lose here. Parang ini-enjoy na lang nila yung laro. Pero baka makasilat pa sila. So dapat maging ready ang Team Lagunoy dyan.
Yes, and ito pa nga yung minsan na talagang mga sinasabi natin na term sa basketball na lason. Yung mga
Yes.
talagang they have nothing to lose. Bigla na lang silang nagko-convert, bigla na lang nagkiklik lahat para sa kanila. And ayun, nakakasungkit pa talaga sila. And given that very aggressive na naman itong si Giriba,
Yes coach.
ever-present yung aggressiveness ito, mukhang may possibility talaga.
But on the other hand, coach, while we're talking, nakadalawang 3 points na naman itong si Bakare. So sabi nga natin, umuulan talaga ng 3 points dito sa Goa ngayon.
Yes, and isa nga to si Bacares and Moreno, I think na talagang nagpapaulan dito sa sa Lagunoy sa mga nakaraan nilang mga laro.
Yeah, so on that possession, that's a turnover for Maranya, and the ball goes back to Seruma with Santa Ana dribbling the ball, pass to Giriba, being guarded by Lorenciano to Martires. Martires picked by Baila. Martires for 3. Again, that's a 3-pointer for Team Seruma. Martires for 3.
Parang na-miss nila maglaro dito sa Goa
Yun
Sports
nga eh.
Complex at talagang pumuulan.
So, Abarquez with a drive. Abarquez, no way. May tinawag na foul doon ng referee. Inabot ang kamay ni Abarquez. So, that's a foul on Gainan Gio. That's his first personal foul. So, Abarquez awarded for 2 free throws. First throw, wala. So, last throw for Abarquez. Yes, gets it.
Ito si Abarquez, when they played against Sangay, siya yung bumuhat ng third quarter. Unfortunately, hindi na siya nakabalik nung fourth quarter, tapos nag-take over na rin doon sila Belica, kaya naging maganda yung comeback.
So, pero on the end of Abarquez, grabe yung pinakita na dun sa game na yung coach. Nag-take over siya for about second quarter to third quarter. So, hindi na naging mahirap para kila Belica na tapusin yung game na yon
Yes.
because
And,
of that heroic act of Abarquez on that second and third quarter.
Oo, and it was Belica and Laurenciano yung pumatay nung laro na yon. With Laurenciano, parang unconscious, halos hindi na nagmimintes.
Deadly yung mga short stabs niya, yung mga jumper niya on the corner. So,
Oo.
grabe yung laro yun, na yon as I remember against Sangay.
Yes, and yun, yung mga highlights natin, Coach Paul, mga nagsisiliparan at may lumapit na gwapo sa atin dito. Asa na yun? Ayun. Salamat po.
So ayan, we have the game highlights. So later on, we have dalawa pang game po. We have a triple header ngayong araw na ito dito sa Goa Sports Center. Sa lahat po ng mga taga-partido area, 4th District to be exact, you are very much welcome here po sa Goa Sports Center to watch us live.
Yes, and also we would like to have a special shout out dito kay Jolas Alvarez na nanonood sa atin via Facebook Live. Isa rin to sa mga iniidolo ko dati ng mga panahon ko sa Ateneo. Also, ito, first comment daw si Jose Paulo Sanchez Azor. Parang challenging yung nung elementary ka pa, brother. Ang haba ng pangalan mong sinusulat.
So now back to the ball game with Laurenciano. There's a
Yun.
foul.
Sumabit
Sumabit ngayon.
kay Ojamar.
It's a pushing foul on that's now Jamar in the line to make his first free throw. So another shot for Ojamar on the free throw line. Gets no. Rebound by Laurenciano to Ojamar. Block. Rebound by Baila. Now to Lucio. To Baila. Baila, strip. Nakuha ni Laurenciano ang basketball but too aggressive naman doon, Coach Baila.
Yes, and yung laki and lapad ni Baila na counter ng bilis ng mga kamay dito ng Team Lagunoy. Uy, ano yun? Team Lagunoy. And yun nga, naagawan.
So Laurenciano again, wala pa yung jump shot niya, Coach, but Abarquez is there to clean up the board. Pass to Lucio. Settles for 3, no good. There's a block on Olete to Ojamar.
Ayun,
Oh, there's a foul. Gandang ikot nun.
Miranya.
Miranya fish for and he will be awarded 2 free throws. First throw, basket for Maranya. Or that's Miranya rather. Again. Yes. Basket again for Maranya. Now Bailao inbounding the ball to Lucio.
So medyo naging quiet ngayon itong si
Lucio for
Geriba.
Yes, Coach.
Doon sa nag-umpisa siyang very aggressive tapos ngayon quiet na naman siya and parang he's biding his time para mag-take over uli.
So we have a substitution for Team Lagunoy. Pinasok na si Bongat. Also one player na may mga quality minutes, Coach, for Coach Tony, itong si Bongat.
Yes, and itong si Bonga talagang yung mga offensive rebounds and yung mga putbacks na binibigay niya para sa team niya is really something na hindi mo basta-basta mako-quantify yung effort na binibigay.
Yes, Coach. So ayun na naman. Pass forward to Olete for 2, no good. Oh, that's a good tip by Miranya. Again, counter for Team Siruma.
Ganda ng transition defense.
Now, mababa yung pasa ni Giriba. Pero nakuha pa rin ng mga taga Siruma for 3. No good sa 3 points si Barrios. Rebound by Miranya to Barnuevo. To Bonga. Tayo na. No good. Overcooks that shot. Now we have Lucio. Hinihingi ni Giriba. Hindi. Dire-diretso si Lucio. Block by Miranya.
Get
But-
that thing out of here.
Gandang challenge ni Miranya doon. But it will stay with Team Siruma. So, Lucio inbounding the ball. Again, another good cut for Griba. But blocked by Lorenciano. Oh, let it to Barnuevo for 2. Gandang challenge, coach, ni Lorenciano kay Giriba.
Yes, and yung length ng Laurenciano, hindi mo mapapansin unless biglang tinaas niya na yung kamay niya. Nagulat dun si Gariba. And student athlete na talagang inuna muna ay yung academics.
Yun nga,
And
sabi nga, coach, student first, athlete second.
Yan.
Kaya nagtinawag na student athlete. So, that's a good note for Coach Tony. Pero, ayun, lamang naman yung team nila. Kaya wala siyang dapat ikakaba dito. Kanina lumalamang naman yung team nila. So, wala siya dapat ikakaba dito. Pero, tingnan natin ang adjustments pa rin ni Coach Tony kasi wala yung notable player niya.
Yes. And I think etong sila Libriha, sila Bacares should really pick up the slack na nagkukulang. And ayun na nga, tumira na naman.
Mukhang narinig ka na naman, Coach. So, ulit to Lorenciano. Lorenciano drives. Oh, drops to Bongat. Good find by Lorenciano to Bongat.
Ganda nung hulog ng Lorenciano na yun. Nakita niya pa yung Bongat dun sa ilalim.
So now, Santa Ana with the basketball. Pass to Martires for 3. Gets it. 3. That 3-point coach is brought to you as by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Island.
Yes.
So, again, Baila, rebounds the ball. Hiningi ni Martires ang bola with the basketball. Again, sets for 3. Gets it. Back-to-back 3 points for Martires.
Para kung kaya mo, kaya ko rin. Sagutan na to.
So, ayan, Barnuevo drives, kick out to Bacares. Pasa kay Bongat. Gandang pasa kay Barnuevo. Binali pa.
Grabe, Dipsy-do.
Dipsy
Move.
do. So, Santa Ana, guarded by Lorenciano. Pass to La Madrid. La Madrid.
And there was a foul.
There was a foul.
Dun sa move ng La Madrid. And La Madrid is one of the guys na talagang they rely on when it comes to the low post, the offense, defense. And sa mga ilang naging laro nito ni La Madrid, talagang hindi naman niya pinahiya yung coaches, teammates, and yung tiwalang binigay sa kanya is talagang napakita niya naman na deserving siya.
Yes, coach. Now, Siruma basketball to Santa Ana for another 3. Wala. Rebound by Lorenciano. Sabi niya, hintay muna. So, Barnuevo. Dire-diretso. Pass to Bacares. Another 3. Gets it to go.
So grabe yung maganda gising na tong Bacares na to.
Sasagutin ng Martires. Kaso, wala na. Ayan na si Bacares. Hinihingi sa corner. Pass to Lorenciano. To Bongat. Flips it up. Good. Napaka-basic na.
Yes, ang
tira.
ganda ng ball movement na pinapakita nitong Lagonoy, partner.
Okay, so now Martires with the basketball to Paanyo. Paanyo again, tumira din ng 3 points. Hawa-hawa na sila, coach. Hawa-hawa na sila.
Paano for 3?
So, again, with the score all tied up at 47 with 4 minutes 59 seconds remaining on the second quarter.
Yes, ayaw magbigay ng kahit isang puntos lamang ng bawat team. Kaya talagang ang ganda ng panimula ng ating Day 29 dito sa Goa Sports Complex, and hopefully lahat ng mga games natin is this exciting and this energetic.
Yes, coach. So, sa tingin mo, coach, so, kuha na ba nung si Roma yung rhythm? Kasi last game na din nila ata ngayon.
Yes, and ito na nga. This is the last one. So, naramdaman na rin nila yung yung parang naging journey nila. So, parang culminating na lang yung nangyari dito. And maganda na yung synergy sana nila. Ang pangit lang is, or ang hindi lang maganda is, this is the last game.
Yes, this is the last game. So, ayan, Barnuevo with the basketball, back to the ball game. So, pass to Bacares, to Lorenciano. Nakasil si Bongat. But blocked by Paanyo. Now, Giriba, dire-diretso. Stripped by Barnuevo, but it will stay with Siruma. Okay, now Giriba inbounding the ball. Santa Ana. Oh, there's a turnover. Barnuevo gets the ball, lays up, 2 points. Now to Martires. Martires orchestrating the play to Giriba. Giriba guarded by Lorenciano. Pass to Martires again for 3. Gets it. Another 3 for Martires. So, ikatlong 3 points na, coach, for Martires.
Grabe, parang halos lahat or 50% of the points nanggagaling sa 3 points for both teams.
Yes, so ayan, ito na nga sinasabi natin si Giriba, very explosive player. To Martires again. Lumusot. Pinilit ni Martires, wala. To Barnuevo. Nakuha ni Barnuevo ang bola. To Moreno for 2. Gets it. That's Moreno. Santa Ana now dribbling. Guarded by Barnuevo. Binigyan ng screen ni Baila. Rebound by Bacares to Lorenciano. To Barnuevo. Now to Bacares for 3. Another 3. No good. Rebound by Moraya.
Nagkagawan.
Oh, may nakitang foul doon ng referee. That foul will be called on by la coach. Nakita ng referee may kunting tulak sa ilalim eh.
Oo.
Very veteran move yun doon. So, Bongat awarded by wala. First free throw, wala for Bongat.
Ito talaga yung pinaka-challenging sa laro ni Bongat, his free throw. Sobrang lakas ng impact niya sa offensive rebounds, putbacks. Pero pagdating sa free throw is one of the weakness sa laro niya.
Yes, coach. So, parang Shaquille O'Neal ng NBA eh. So, pero nababawi niya naman sa putback niya sa ilalim. So, Bacares again for 3, no good. Gandang putback kay Lorenciano.
Pero yung tira ni Bacares laging straight. It's either sobra or kulang. It's a good indicator sa mga shooters.
Santa Ana, to Paanyo. Drives. Binali. Pero walang tinamaan. It will be Lagunoy basketball. Lorenciano, muntik na maagaw ni Martires kay Barnuevo yung pasan ni Lorenciano. So, Barnuevo, dire-diretso again.
Uy, ang
gandang
ganda!
find again. That's for 2 points for Bongat.
Parang pag hindi mo na kita yung pasa na yun, makakita ka, stars.
Muntik na nagulat nga si Bongat doon sa pasang yun.
Parang iikot yung stars na makikita mo doon sa pasang yun. Sobrang bilis and sobrang hindi mo maasahan na ganun pala yung pasa na yun.
No, again, ayan na naman si Barnuevo. To Bacares. Bacares again at the corner. Wala. Rebound by Paanyo.
Parang nagiging trigger happy itong si Bacares.
Oh, fakes to Martires. 2 points. Martires for 2. Again, Barnuevo. Yun nga, coach. Mukhang nagiging trigger happy talaga sa corner. Eh. Pero good looks naman. Open siya eh.
Yes.
So, again, now Moreno naman. Babawi, wala. It's Siruma basketball.
It's a good adjustment for Seruma na talagang china-challenge na nila yung mga 3-point shots kahit alam natin na pumapasok kanina. And sometimes kasi as a player and as a team, hindi nyo napapansin. Nakakailang mintis na pala kayo, nakakahabol na pala yung kalaban, nakukuha na pala nila yung momentum. Tapos magugulat na lang kayo, parang, ba't ang hirap makashoot? So kailangan na masabihan na ni coach yung mga players na dito sa Lagunoy na we have to find ways para makascore pa.
Yes, coach. So again, back to the ball game to Moreno, Lorenciano. Oh, steal by Santa Ana. Bad pass siya doon. Nadulas si Giriba. So, medyo coach nagiging madulas yung floor natin. I don't know, siguro sa init ng pagtanggap na naman.
Hinip na naman ang pagtanggap. Uy, ang ganda ng bale.
Yan.
Kick out pass. Ganda.
Rebound by Paak for 2, gets it. That's offensive rebound for Paak.
Yan. Nakaka-frustrate para sa coach yung makitang ganyan na defend din nyo yung first attack tapos ibibigay nyo yung offensive rebound and makaka-score pa. Parang nakaka-deflate ng moral.
Yes. Now, back to the ball game. Barnuevo. Oh, caught sleeping sana yung team Siruma but di na-convert ni Bacares. Now to Santa Ana. Santa Ana for 3. Rebound by Barnuevo. Barnuevo to Moreno. For 3. No good. Again, Paak with the offensive rebound. For 2 points.
Ang
Paak.
hirap sa yung mukha ng coach ng Siruma ngayon. Excruciating na yung niya. Parang, rumebound kayo.
Another 3 for Warren Santa Ana. Now Barnuevo again with the basketball to Bacares.
10 seconds
Guarded
now.
by flips it. Again, offensive rebound for Paak. Wala lang. Ayan na si Santa Ana. For 2.
And I think
They will review it. I think, coach. They review nila kung basket ba.
yes.
Yung last shot na yun ni Santa Ana.
Usually what the referees will do is they would either make a decision if it's counted o hindi. And then after that, titingnan natin ngayon dito sa ating instant replay. Para kung mali man yun, ma-revert nila yung score na binigay. So, very helpful itong instant replay system natin.
Yes. So, hihintayin natin ngayon kung ano ang desisyon ng referees. It will not count, coach.
Yes, and upon reviewing by the officiating officials, not counted po.
So again, coach, magbabalik tayo for actions on the second half. So stay tuned po.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dako laon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International.
Okay, for our second half, back to the ball game. Siruma versus Lagunoy. Now, Pelonio to Giriba. Giriba to Santa Ana. Back to Giriba. Pass to Pelonio. Pelonio drives. Back to Santa Ana. Fakes. Kick out to Giriba. Giriba for 3. No good. Rebound by Libreja. Libreja now nagmamadali. Pass to Barnuevo. Numerecho. Wala. It will stay with Siruma.
Ang ganda ng sequence na yon, partner. Though maganda yung naging ball movement ng Siruma, ang ganda naman ng closeouts na ginawa nitong Alagonoy.
Yes, so Paanyo for 3. No good. Rebound by Bonga to Barnuevo. With the basketball. Dribbling. Pass to Bacares. To Lorenciano. Tries to drive. No. La Madrid with the rebound. Pass to Paanyo. Paanyo now with the basketball. Pass to Pelonio. Pelonio for 3. Rebound by Paanyo. Blocked by Libreja. Libreja now with the basketball. Libreja, Dore Derecho. 4-2, gets it to go. So now, Giriba. Guarded by Barnuevo. Double team by Libreja and Barnuevo. Pass to Pelonio. It will stay again with Team Siruma. So sa ngayon, Coach, ano ba ginagawa nitong Team Lagunoy when it comes to defense?
Dito sa last sequence natin, akala mo nagtao lang, pero nung binigyan sila ng opportunity para mag-double, kinagat kagad nila. Unfortunately, hindi nila nakuha yung bola. Pero that's a good thing para sa Lagunoy.
Yes. Now, back to the ball game. To Bacares, again for 3. No, rebound by Paano of Team Siruma.
Mukhang naubusan ng bala itong si Bacares simula pa nung second quarter. Medyo drought yung shooting niya.
Yan, that Aldrin Pelonio with that deep sedu shot. Now, Barnuevo guarded by Pelonio to Bongat. Bongat versus La Madrid. Bongat, wala. Rebound by Santa Ana. Santa Ana now. Nagmamadali. Guarded by Lorenciano. Santa Ana. Naka-fish ng foul doon si Santa Ana.
Ang ganda nung bump. Nakakuha agad siya ng magandang spacing after nung bump na yun. And kahit na foul siya, he was able to let go of that floater, though hindi lang pumasok, but he's on the line right now for 2 free throws.
Yes, Coach. Kung mapapansin kasi natin, Coach, dito kay Santa Ana, napakalaki talaga nung build niya. Kaya simple bump, hindi talaga siya yung upper body strength nandun.
Yes, yung shoulder niya talagang broad. Diba? Pero kung sa shoulder lang din naman ang pag-uusapan, yung player ng Iriga, si Jason Orada, yun ang shoulder na mamaw na mamaw talaga, na parang pagbabangga pa lang sa'yo, mapapapikit ka na lang na,
So in that last segment, Coach, there's a foul on La Madrid. Nahuli siya doon, tinulak niya si Lorenciano. So now, it's Lagunoy basketball with Barnuevo with the ball. Binigyan ng pick na kay Lorenciano to Libreja. Short stab, wala. Rebound again by Bongat. Offensive rebound. Ayun na naman, Coach, yung offensive rebound.
Iba talaga humanap ng pwesto itong si Bongat. Parang swerteng-swerte sa kanya bumabagsak.
Now, back to the ball game. Pelonio takes another shot. So ngayon, Coach, sa tingin mo, good thing ba na medyo nai-inlove sa 3 points tong si Ruma?
I think if they keep on doing this tapos hindi sila nagko-convert, they have to find other ways kasi nagmiminti sila, nare-rebound ng Lagunoy, and it's not good for them. Pero if it's working, pumapasok kahit hindi naman 100%, pwede nilang gawin yan.
Okay, so that last sequence, naka 3 points si Santa Ana. That 3 points brought to you by Hotel Ellis. So now again, Bacares, tababawi, wala. Rebound by Pelonio to Santa Ana. So that's easy to for Guerriba. So again, napa-time out doon ang team na Lagunoy.
And with that sequence, yun, lamang na ng isang puntos itong si Ruma. So they were being aggressive inside and outside, and yung problema nila sa rebounding, medyo nagawa nila ng paraan at nakakuha sila ng rebound, nakapag-fast break sila. If they keep on doing this, madaling makuha nila yung laro.
Okay, so again, so this 6 minute and 6 second mark of the third quarter, lamang po ng isa ang si Ruma, up by 1 point. So back to the ball game tayo. It will stay now with Team Lagunoy.
Lagunoy, kailangan veteran na rin sila in a sense of matagal na sila magkakasama. Kailangan lang din nilang huminga ng malalim and make sure na refocus lang sila. Kasi kahit hindi pumapasok yung mga tira nila, maganda naman yung mga ginagalaw nila.
Okay, so back to the ball game again. Nakuha ni Bongat ang bola, but wala. Rebound by Paano, guarded by Bongat to Pelonio. Pelonio nagmamadali, lace up, gets it to go. 2 2 points for Aldrin Pilonio.
Mali yung gamble ni Bongat doon na nag-pressure siya sa backcourt at butas na butas yung gitna.
Okay, so Barnuevo, take a shot, no good to Bacaris again. Another 3, wala pa rin. But si Bongat, andun na naman si Bongat andun na naman si Bongat. So,
Yes, very good ka dyan, Bongat.
muntik ko pang masabi yung isang Bongat, coach.
Yes.
So again, another Pilonio for 3. Again, sabi mo nga, coach, good thing yan. Kung talagang pumapasok now, it's converting for Team Siruma.
Yes, and talagang kung pinapractice naman kasi nila, darating at darating yan. Yung shooter's stroke na tinatawag natin.
Okay, so now Bacaris with the basketball to Libreha. Another 3. Now, nakabutas naman ng 3 points ang Team Lagunoy. Courtesy of that 3 points kay Libreha. And that 3 points is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. So, Barnuevo, no good. Libreha with the offensive rebound for 2. Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound ba? Yes, but
Out of bounds. Last touch ni Rep.
last touch ni Rep. The ball stays with Team Lagunoy. Palitan ng tao again. Martires pinasok dito. Pinahingahan muna si Giriba. To Bongat. To Libreha again. Another shot. Wala. La Madrid. Rebound. Martires. Kakapasok pa lang. Layup. Overcooks that layup. Rebound by Libreha.
So,
Tito Abarquez.
etong Abarquez na to, binalik sa loob para yung kanyang veteran presence maibigay dito sa Lagunoy.
Another sequence, coach. There's an offensive rebound again coming from Bongat for Team Lagunoy. So Martires now with the basketball guarded by Abarquez. So there's a push away from the ball.
Offensive foul ang tinawag kay Santa Ana.
That's an offensive foul. Too much aggressive naman doon si Santa Ana. So it will go back to Team Lagunoy. Abarquez with the basketball. Pass to Libreha. Back to Abarquez. Now orchestrating the play. Screen by Bacares to Laurenciano. Haliyo.
Eye in the sky play. Yan talagang makikita mo na matagal na magkakasama itong mga players na to at nagkakaamuyan na talaga sa loob ng court.
So, may tinawag na foul. That's on number 6 Libreha. Guarded niya si Santa Ana doon. So, Santa Ana, dire-diretso. May nakitang again na foul ang referee. So, tingnan natin kung sino. That's a pushing foul. So yung foul is on Bacares. Ito na Madrid, guarded by Bongat. Good block by Bongat. Binato to kay Abarquez pero na-steal ni Santa Ana. Santa Ana now with the basketball. Counter steal for Abarquez. Abarquez, nagmamadali. Lays up. Wala. But another offensive rebound for Bongat. Gets it. Another 2 points for Bongat. So again,
Napa-timeout naman ngayon itong Siruma because talagang pinapatay sila sa rebounding battle, offensive and defensive rebound. Kailangan nila makuha yung bola para makascore. Kung ganito lagi ginagawa nila, bigyan na nila sa Lagunoy.
Yes.
And tinitingnan natin ngayon yung coach ng Siruma giving instructions especially on the rebounding battle.
yes, coach. So pumuputok yung 3 points nila sa kabila pero yung second chance points naman and yung rebounding is nakukuha naman ng Lagunoy at the other end.
Yes.
So now back to the ball game. It will be on Team Siruma basketball. So Martires inbounding the ball, pass to Pilonio. Pilonio now with the basketball. Hands it off to Giriba. Giriba guarded by Librea. Humingi ng screen kay La Madrid. Giriba sets for another 3. Gets. And no, that's another 2 points rather. Medyo nakaapak yung malaking paa
Oo.
sa linya ng 3 points.
Minsan talaga advantage pag maliit ang paa mo.
Yes, coach. So, ganda namang hulog kay... But the offensive rebound naman nakuha ni Bongat to Ojamar. Ojamar now with the basketball. Fakes. Another fakes. Wala. Another offensive rebound by Abarquez. So, ayun. Pinapatay talaga ng Lagunoy ang Siruma sa offensive rebound.
Yes. It's really frustrating for a team na hindi kayo makakuha ng bola at hindi kayo makapag-start ng break. It's parang hinihintay nyo na lang makascore yung kalaban and you will try to score. It's not gonna be good in the long run.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo with Abarquez rewarded for 2 free throws. First free throw, pasok. And pinahingahan naman si Bongat, pinasok naman si Miranya. Another basket for Abarquez. Pilonio inbounding to La Madrid. Back to Pilonio. Pilonio now with the basketball. So, orchestrating a play. So, humingi ng screen kay La Madrid. Pass to Martires. Paanyo, hinihingang bola. Hindi binigay ni Martires. Martires. Dire-diretso. Good block by Miranya.
Yes, and right now, yung Lagunoy is on a man-to-man defensive style naman. Kanina, pinakitaan nila ng zona. Ngayon, another defense naman na man-to-man and nakakuha na nga ng steal.
Okay, kuha ng steal si Librea. Pass to Abarquez to Miranya. Miranya for 2. No good. Another offensive rebound for Lorenciano. Na-rebound pero nakuha ni Giriba. Giriba na with the basketball. So, again, coach, may report sa atin si Carmela. Carmela, ano bang update? Pasok?
Team Lagunoy ended the first half with 59 points and they are already leading in this game. But Team Siruma is still fighting for this matchup. Kanina nga nakausap ko ang isa sa mga key player ng Team Siruma na si jersey number 16, Jay Giriba, at sabi niya, he and his team are always ready to win every game. Kahit na ito na daw ang kanilang huling laro dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Camarines World. Kaya ibibigay pa rin nila ang kanilang makakaya para maipanalo ito. At may pakita pa rin na hanggang sa huli lumaban sila. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Okay. So, yun nga, coach. Narinig natin kay Carmela na si Jay Giriba is always ready daw.
Yes.
Kahit last game na nila.
And it's not all talk. Talagang alam natin itong si Giriba is always on that killer mindset.
Okay, so now back to the ball game. Martires with the ball. Another 3 for Martires. Wala. Good box out doon si Lorenciano. Nakuha ni Miranya to Libriha. Libriha na with the basketball. Pasa kay Lorenciano. Drives. Pass to Jamar. Wala. Nakuha ni Giriba. Giriba nagmamadali. There's a foul on that drive by Giriba.
It was a good foul na ginawa nito ni Abarquez because it's gonna be an easy 2 points kung hindi yun na foul.
Okay, so now Giriba has awarded 2 free throws with 56 seconds remaining on this third quarter. So tingnan natin ang free throw ni Giriba. First throw. Yes, basket. So now up by 1 ang Siruma with that free throw. Another free throw for Giriba. No good. But nakuha ni Giriba again ang bola. For 2. Gets it.
Never giving up talaga to si Giriba and talagang yung mindset talaga nito is to really attack.
So in that note, coach, lamang na ang Siruma 79-76 with 34 seconds remaining. Libreha thought about it. Pinasa kay Abarquez. Drives. That's a traveling violation for Abarquez. So with 26 seconds remaining on the third quarter, bola ng Siruma. Giriba with the basketball. guarded by Giriba. Lumusot. Lace up. Another 2 points for Giriba. So, ayan. 15 seconds remaining. Lagunoy basketball. Abarquez with the basketball. Pass to Libreja. Guarded by Giriba. Humingi na screen kay Miranya. To Abarquez for 3. Gets it to go. 3 points. And so that concludes our third quarter. So, score natin, coach, is 81-79 in favor of team
Siruma. Parang binaliktad nila yung last 2 minutes na yon. Talagang maganda yung naging run and nagsimula yon sa aggressiveness na pinakita nitong si Giriba.
So, do you think, coach, yung mga second offensive rebound ng Team Lagunoy will be enough sa mainit na 3 points na pinapakita ng Team Siruma?
Kailangan nilang create ng stops para dito sa Lagunoy kasi hindi lang yung rebound ang makakapagpapanalo sa kanila. Kasi aanin mo yung rebound kung pumapasok yung tira ng outside ng Siruma and nag-take over mode itong si Giriba. So they have to make some stops lalong-lalo na dito kay Giriba na talagang kung hindi dahil sa kanya hindi kakamada ang Siruma.
Yes, coach. So yan, so makikita nyo ngayon ang ating game highlights on the third quarter. Also, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Mercedes Bay, Cagraray Island, Highlands, also Hotel St. Ellis and Hotel Venetia. And of course, this Kamsur leg is brought to you by Ako Bicol Party List. Again, maraming salamat po Congressman Saldico for bringing Ako Bicol Cup here in Kamsur.
Yes, and right now, we are towards the last leg of our eliminations and we are getting a clearer picture kung sino yung mga makakapasok sa next round.
Okay, so to start the quarter, we have again Bongat with the inside job there. 2 points for Bongat with a pantay na ngayon ang score 81 all. That's Pilonio for 2, no good. But there's a foul.
Laurenciano.
Laurenciano. Early foul for Team Lagunoy with 9 minutes 34 seconds in the fourth quarter. So Pilonio to Giriba, guarded by Libreja. Screened by Baila. 2 points again for Giriba.
They have to really stop this guy if they really want to win this game.
Yes.
Isa sa mga key factors yan ngayon, si Giriba.
So, 3-pointer by Libre, hindi pumasok. So, the ball will go to Team Siruma. Okay, so now Pilonio inbounding the ball. Pass to Martires. Martires will orchestrate the play, guarded by Barduebo. Binigyan ng pick ni Baila. Martires. For 2, no good. Another foul caught by the referee on number 6. That's on Libreja. Sabi ko nga, coach, kanina, that's early fouls for Team Lagunoy. With 8 minutes and 59 seconds on the fourth quarter. So, bola ng Siruma, pass to Martires, guarded by Barnuevo. To Baila, Baila against Bongat. That's an offensive foul na tinawag ng referee. Offensive foul on Baila. Yako. So, now back to the ball game. We have Barnuevo with the basketball. Pass to Libreja. Libreja guarded by Baila. Now with Giriba. Oh, there's a steal by Giriba. And another 2 points now, coach. I think Giriba is taking over now here in the fourth quarter. So Giriba with another 2 points. Now Barnuevo with the basketball. Humingi ng screen. Another turnover by, yes, it's a turnover for Lagunoy. Giriba again. 2 points for Giriba. Now, Laurenciano to Barnuevo. Another steal. Nakuha ni Martires. Lace up. Gets it. Muntik pang makuha ni Giriba, but Barnuevo with the basketball. Dire-diretso. Pass to Bongat. There's a foul. So, grabe yung sequence na yung coach. 3 baskets. And 2 steals naman yung ginawa ng Team Siruma in that sequence.
And parang ang nangyayari dito, mas gusto nitong Siruma yung larong ito. Kasi makikita mo dun sa pagkakuha pa lang ng Laguna ng bola, hindi nila tinitingnan kung sino yung mga nakapaligid sa kanila. Wala sa focus.
So now the free throw line is Bongat. So first free throw, wala. Second and last throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni Pelonio to Baila. Baila now with the basketball. Pass to Martires. Another 3 by. Yes, sir! 3 for Martires. So, biglang napatawag doon ng timeout ang team ng Lagunoy.
Yes, right now it's a 9-point lead para dito sa Siruma with momentum on their side. Confident na confident itong mga players ng Siruma. And eto minsan yung talagang hindi natin nakikita when it comes to basketball, yung mga roles ng coaches. Kanina, they are down. Hindi sila maka-rebound. And after a quick timeout, slowly but surely, they were able to get back. So, yung pag-pigil ng momentum, pag-create ng adjustments, hindi nakikita madalas yan sa laro. But yan yung isa sa mga importanteng factors sa laro.
Yes, coach. So, talaga, yung game ng basketball is adjustments and how do you counter that opposing team. So, yun ang tinitingnan natin when it comes to coaches naman. So, back to the ball game. Now, with 7 minutes 37 seconds lamang ng siyam ang Team Siruma. Now, Barnuevo with the basketball. Pass to Bacares. Another 3. Walang tinamaan. But there's an offensive rebound again for Libreja. Gets for 2 points. Now with Giriba. Giriba with the basketball. Guarded by Libreja. Libreja. Giriba lumusot. That's a traveling violation.
Nasobrahan sa aggressiveness yung Giriba. And makikita mo ngayon si Bacares. May frustrations and may takot ng tumira because of that Pero nawala agad yung takot.
Narinig
frustrations
ka
na lang.
Narinig ka, coach. But ayun, fast break. On the other hand, again na naman, Giriba na naman for 2 points. So now, Lagunoy basketball with Barnuevo with the ball. Orchestrating the play, humingi again ng screen kay Libreja. Barnuevo, dire-diretso, 2 points. There's a foul and 1. Barnuevo.
Gianan with that foul.
Gianan. So, bonus free throw ngayon kay Barnuevo. No good. But again, the offensive rebound. Titingnan natin, may
nagkalambingan
sa last play na yun, coach. So, titingnan natin.
Pelonio and Bacares.
So, they will, I think, the officiating official will review kung ano yung nangyari doon sa last play na yun. But, ang alam natin is, Bacares is down. So, ang score natin is 90-85 with 6 minutes and 33 seconds remaining on the last quarter, coach.
Eto na, tumawag na. Unsportsmanlike foul.
Unsportsmanlike foul ang tinawag kay Pelonio dito. So,
and this is dangerous para dito sa Siruma with them having that lead and having the having that lead, the momentum, baka biglang mag-shift dahil dito sa sequence na to. And with a shooter, putting him on the line, mabibigyan mo na naman ng confidence yung shooter.
Yes, coach. So, ayun yung kagandahan nun. Baka maging momentum changer to, coach, na nangyari. So, pero let's see kung ano magiging reaction ng mga players din dito. So, but again, the ball will stay with Team Lagunoy. Abarquez with the basketball. Abarquez dire-diretso, but stripped by Santa Ana. Giriba to Martinez for 2. Wala.
Pangalawang mintis na ganun yun.
Okay, Bacares to Abarquez. Abarquez to Lorenciano. Wala. Pass to Santa Ana now. Santa Ana, nagmamadali to Martinez for 2 points. So, balik sa Lagunoy ang bola. Lorenciano to Abarquez.
8 points is still doable para dito sa Lagunoy. Wag lang silang magmadali katulad ng tirang yun.
Okay, with 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining here in the fourth quarter, 94-86. So there's a substitution. Pahingahan na si Bacares, coach. Papalitan na. Pero another shooter din yung pinalit.
Yes, Moreno.
Moreno. So Abarquez inbounding the ball. Okay.
Nag-head coach challenge
May
na yun.
challenge. So, challenge niya yung last play na yun, coach. So, ano ba to, coach, the last na head coach challenge na to? Bakit may ganyan?
This is one of the innovations na meron tayo ngayon dito sa basketball na ini-implement ng Ako Bicol. Wherein, alam natin na split seconds lang yung naibibigay sa mga referees for them to make a judgment call.
Yes.
And alam din naman natin na hindi lahat ng oras na tama ang itatawag ng mga referees. Mga tao lang yan, nagkakamali. And this head coach challenge would give them parang an opportunity to rectify kung may mali man doon. Makita nila kung tama ba talaga or mali para hindi naman sasayang yung efforts ng lahat.
Okay, so I think that's a successful head coach challenge, coach, kasi mababalik sa si Ruma ang bola. Iyon, successful. So, si Ruma with the basketball. So, Martinez now dribbling the ball. Guarded by Lebreja. Pass to Giriba, to Baila. There's a hand check yun.
Kitang-kita yun. Para magpapapicture si
parang hug na ngayon.
Oo, si Meranya para magpapapicture na nakaganon.
Kitang-kita natin dito sa side natin yung hawak na yun. So, now again, it's with Team Siruma. So, Santa Ana now. Humingi ng screen. Good. Recognition yung screen. There. Nako. Nahuli.
Para nakalimot.
Nakalimot siyang i-dribble yung bola. So, that's a turnover on Giriba. Back to Lagunoy. Abarquez with the basketball. Screen on by Miranya. Pass to Miranya. Wala. Again, offensive rebound. Miranya. Binali pa. But on the other end, nagmamadali si Giriba. Giriba. Oh, there's a foul. Gandang bali nun, coach.
Oo, both teams now are warning for a penalty. Pero hindi kaya pang top 10 pace yung ganong klaseng bali na yun.
Pwede.
Kala mo, isasalpak pa.
Now, Martinez with the jump shot. Wala. Abarquez in Santa Ana. There's a foul on Santa Ana. So, we have 94-88 with 5 minutes and 2 seconds remaining here in the last quarter. May foul na binigay si Santa Ana kay Abarquez. So, Abarquez will be awarded 2 free throws.
Malayo pa to, partner, with 5 minutes and 6 points. Lead ng Siruma. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito, partner.
Okay, so pero ayun, nagbintis coach ang unang free throw ni Abarquez. Second and last throw. Yes, gets it. Gainan now to Martires. Martires with the basketball. Guarded by Libreja. Okay, Martires is orchestrating the play. Humingi ng screen kay Baila. Umikot. Jump shot. Napaka-easy nun para kay Martires.
Yes, pero for me sa Seruma, kailangan nilang i-maximize itong si Baila.
Yes,
Nobody in the lineup ng Lagunoy ngayon could defend yung laki at dapat ng Baila.
Again, coach, sabi mo nga that last two sequence, ganda nung seal no Baila sa kabila, kaso hindi yun na nakita ni Martires. Pero open look naman si Martires.
Yes.
Pero sa kabila, sabi nga natin, once a shooter will always be a shooter. Moreno with the 3 points.
Yes, and konting ano lang yan, konting kilipit lang yan, bang! You got that shot. And ang nakakatakot dito, kung magsunod-sunod to kay Moreno.
Yes, coach. So, sabi mo nga napakalayo pa. 4 minutes 30 seconds on the last quarter with 96-92. Si Ruma up by just 4. So, pero pareho na din silang penalty.
Yes, and it's going to play a big role dito sa endgame natin, yung penalty situation. Kung sino yung mas aggressive, yun yung mas makakapunta sa free throw and hindi gumagalaw yung oras niyan. Kaya malaking opportunity para may baba yung lead or maitaas yung lead.
Okay, so back to the ball game with Santa Ana with the basketball. Team Siruma, guarded by Moreno. Oh, there's a foul. May nakita pang foul doon. So, that's on Moreno. So again, nasa penalty na parehong team. So that will be 2 free throws for Santa Ana. Tingnan natin kung pasok yung una. Yes, gets it. So last throw for Santa Ana. Santa Ana, yes, basket. So, Miranya, nilabas ang bola, pinasa kay Libreja. Nagmamadali si Libreja. 2 points for Libreja. Again, now, balik sa Siruma ang bola. Giriba, guarded by Abarquez. Humingi ng screen kay Gainan. Di ginamit. Martires with the basketball. Iniskrinan ni Baila. Pass to Santa Ana, guarded by Moreno. Santa Ana biglang pumukol ng 3. Wala, but offensive rebound to Martires. Ayun na naman. 2 points. Kayon, coach, nakaka-offensive rebound naman yun, si Ruma.
Yes, and it's a very costly sequence dito sa Lagunoy. Kailangan nilang makabawi dito.
Okay, and that last sequence, being aggressive to si Libreja, naka-fish siya ng foul. Okay. So, tumawag ng foul ang referee doon. So, that's, again, free throws kasi pareho na silang nasa penalty. Okay, with 3 minutes 28 seconds on the fourth quarter, our score is 194 in favor of Siruma. 2 shots for Libreja. First shot, basket. Last throw for Libreja. Wala. Rebound by Martires to Giriba. Giriba now. Guarded by Barnuevo. Giriba. Stripped by Barnuevo. There's a steal to Libreja. Libreja now with the basketball. Nagmamadali. Pass to Moreno. Moreno for 3. Wala. Tip by Lorenciano. Martires is there for 2. Yes! Fast break points for Team Siruma. Martires with 2 points. Now Libreja with the basketball. Again, nagmamadali si Libreja. Ayun, steal yung bola. And coach, ano masasabi mo doon sa sequence na yun?
Kailangan nila maging patient kasi mahaba pa rin yung oras and minamadali ni Libreja. 2 sunod na beses nilang ginawa yun. And dalawang sunod na beses, it resulted into turnovers. So, kailangan nilang mag-relax, mag-execute lang.
Okay, so tingnan natin kung ikakapitalize pa ni Santa Ana itong 2 free throws na to. Wala yung first free throw. Last throw with 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining on the last quarter. Santa Ana on the free throw line. Second throw, yes. Gets it. So, there's a substitution for Team Lagunoy. Papalitan si Miranya, Bongat is pumasok para dito sa Team Lagunoy. That's now Barnuevo with the basketball. Pass to Moreno to Barnuevo. 4-3. Wala. Lorenciana andun. Gandang pasa na naman kay Bongat. So, not giving up on that play is Lorenciano. So, Gainan now with the basketball to Santa Ana, guarded by Moreno. Moreno now with the basketball. Moreno, guarded Santa Ana. Santa Ana, wala. Rebound by Moreno to Libreja, to Barnuevo. Barnuevo, lumusot. Wala. Another, there's a jump ball. There's a jump ball, and the ball will go to Seruma with 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining on the last quarter. So, Giriba, guarded by Barnuevo. They're now on the last 2-minute mark of the ball game. Martires for 3, wala.
This is gonna be one of those moments na kailangan talagang mag-execute nitong Lagunoy. Kasi kung hindi sila makakonvert dito, mabababa yung chance nila na makahabol.
Moreno. Oh, minadali ni Moreno doon. Giriba to Martires, fast break. Oh, there's a foul. Wow. Masakit yun, coach. Yun ang sinasabi mo pa lang. Medyo minadali ata talaga.
Yes,
nung
and
Lagunoy.
that was a frustration foul. And yun, tinawagan pa siya ng unsportsmanlike.
Iba sana yung nangyari if they still stick to their system. Hindi nila minadali. But again, that's a frustration. Natawagan pa siya ng unsportsmanlike foul doon. So now Martires is rewarded with free throws here. With 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining. First throw, basket. Another free throw. Yes, and sa kanila pa mapupunta ang bola. So sa tingin mo, coach, kaya pa ba to?
There's still a possibility, pero sa pinapakita ng Seruma, mukhang hindi nila bibigyan ng pagkakataon nitong Lagunoy. And nag-uubos na nga sila ng oras.
Again, Martires for 2, Libreja. Nagmamadali ngayon si Libreja. Basket pa yun, coach.
And one.
There's a good sign yun for Team Lagunoy. So, makakakuha ng bonus free throw si Libreja. Plus, nakatigil yung oras.
Yes, ito yung pinakamagandang nangyari dyan. And makakapag-set up pa sila ng magandang depensa kung ipasok man na nila yun.
Okay, so tingnan natin kung maibubuslo ba ni Libreja ang bonus to. Wala. La Madrid. That will be okay, so another head coach challenge, coach. Yung nangyari doon. So titingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta ang bola. With 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining on the fourth and final quarter. So Team Seruma is leading 105-99. So 6 lang, coach, with 1 minute 17 seconds.
Ano
yes,
pa yan? Mga 3 balik pa yan.
So,
kung titingnan natin, 3 hanggang 4 na balik pa yan.
yes.
So, kailangan lang talaga nila mag-execute on both teams. And sa coaches, ang kailangan nila dito, for example, dito sa Lagunoy, kung may kalamangan pa rin, yung pag-call nila ng mga fouls. Kasi minsan, kailangan nila mag-foul para ma-stop yung oras and ano sila. So, kailangan very focused ng mga coaches dito.
Yes po. So, and sa mga magfa-foul naman na team kasi, sa kanilang dalawa is penalty na pareho. So, talaga magre-result yun for 2 free throws. So, dapat alam nila kung kailan.
Yes, and mukhang nahihirapan ang ating mga officiating officials sa pagtawag. And it's Siruma Basketball.
Yes, ibibigay nila sa Siruma.
Challenge, unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful yung challenge ni Coach Tony Linso. So, papasok kayo na another shooter, Coach. Si Bacares. Santa Ana to Martires. So, Martires now. It's 8 seconds violation. So, maganda yung defensive stop ng Lagunoy doon, Coach. So, mababalik sa kanila yung bola.
Kailangan nilang yung sense of urgency nila.
Okay, Barnuevo. Again, Bacares.
Ito, maganda yung setup.
Ayun, another. Bacares again, wala. Titingnan ngayon again, Coach. So, re-reviewin ng ating mga officials kung kaninong bola.
Yes, and ito yung maganda sa ganitong instant replay system natin na in the last 2 minutes, which is very important for both teams, nagkakaroon ng extra elbow room itong mga referees to really give the proper judgment kung ano ba talaga yung dapat itawag doon. Kasi again, they're only given split seconds
para mag-decide.
And hindi naman na perfecto ang ating mga referees, but they are always trying to give the best na possible na officiating na kaya nilang ibigay.
Yes. And of course, Coach, yung Bicol is talagang we are very equipped with those equipments na talagang makikita natin. That's instant replay and review. So, makikita natin talaga. So, mabibigay talaga natin yung tamang call.
Yes, and maganda to at pwedeng pamarisan.
Yes.
Diba? Etong gantong klaseng liga puts Ako Bicol on top of the organizers ng basketball na pwede silang pamarisan.
So back to the ball game. The ball stays with Lagunoy. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin. Barnuevo to Moreno. Moreno for 3. Yes, sir! Gets it! So buhay pa dito ang chance. But, ayan, mag-involve si Martires. At Santa Ana now with the basketball. Ayun. Naitawid ang bola, but there's a counter there. 2 points for Martires. So, again, that's we have 33 seconds remaining. Librehan, nagmamadali. Moreno to Bacares. To Barnuevo for 3. Wala. Rebound by La Madrid. That's a jump.
Jump ball. Mapupunta ang bola ngayon dito sa ating Lagunoy.
Okay, sa Lagunoy ngayon. So, to time out dito, si Coach Tony Linso with 21 seconds remaining on the 4th quarter. So, that's a 5-point lead, Coach, with 21 seconds remaining on the last quarter.
I think it's quite confusing kung bakit hindi si Moreno yung hinanap nila dun sa last play na yun.
Yes.
But tapos na yun, kailangan na lang nilang mag-look forward sa next play. And I think kailangan nilang i-set up ng maayos itong si Moreno with him having the more decent percentage shooting this half.
Yes. So, titingnan natin kung anong magiging last play ni Coach Tony dito. Well, they go with easy 2 or quick 3. So, titingnan natin. 5-point lead.
Ako, kung ano yung available, yun yung dapat nakunin nila. Hindi yung hahanapin nila kung yung tres baka masyado pang maaga and libre naman yung dos. Go for the 2 and then foul, play defense, then foul. Diskarte nila.
Yes, coach. So now, again, Lagunoy basketball. Libreha inbounding the ball. Okay, Libreha na. Ayun na, hinahanap nila si Bacares. 4-3. Wala. Offensive rebound. Bongat, wala pa rin. La Madrid, ayun na yung foul.
Ayun, foul. And it's shooting game.
Yes. So Libreha. Foul si Libreha doon. So now La Madrid is on the line for 2 free throw with 11 seconds remaining on the last quarter. First throw, wala. Second and last throw for La Madrid. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound di Bacares ang bola. To Lorenciano, to Moreno, to Barnuevo. 4-3. Wala pa rin. Ganan with the ball. Now, i-enable out na lang ni Giriba ang bola. So, Siruma versus Lagunoy. Siruma, panalo coach dito sa laban.
I would not consider this as an upset.
Yes.
Pero, yun na nga. Sinabi nga kanina ni Giriba na this is their last game. They're gonna be giving it their all. And for Lagunoy, if ever maipanalo nila ito, it will depend on the Tigaon Goa game. Siguro may mental stress na rin na ibigay sa kanila. And they didn't play as much as how they played.
Yung mga nakaraang game nila.
Yes.
This is a good game pa rin for Team Lagunoy. But,
Yes. Pero partner, lahat ng panalo ng Lagunoy, may laro nila sa Sangay.
sa Sangay.
Lahat ng talo ng Lagunoy, dito sa Goa.
May sumpatong court sa kanila. So, I think siguro yun lang, nagkakataon lang yun, coach, na dito talaga sila tinatalo this league. So, for Team Siruma naman, sabi mo nga kanina, maganda na yung chemistry ng team, but unfortunately, kung kailan patapos na yung last game na nila, saka nangyari yun. But really, sabi mo nga, hindi siya upset kasi yung Siruma talaga is malakas na team rin. So, huli lang talaga nilang nakuha yung chemistry nila.
And during their first game kasi, di ba, sinabi rin nila na hindi pa sila matagal na magkakasama time na yun. So, medyo nahuli yung preparation nila. And it was a factor kung bakit hindi sila nakapag-start ng maayos, hindi sila nakapag-gel ng maaga.
So again, tingnan natin coach itong mga highlights ng game. Libreha, there's a lot of heroes here in the lights of Martires of Team Siruma also. Grabe yung pinakita niya ngayong game na to. And also Lorenciano and Libreha talaga for Team Lagunoy. Then, and that Bongat guy is really a force to reckon with pag sa loob siya ng pen.
Yes, yung mga offensive rebounds niya, yung mga simple box outs niya, ang laking bagay sa team. But unfortunately, hindi sapat.
Okay, so sa tingin mo, coach, sino ang magiging ating kasurog player of the game?
I think it's between Giriba, Martires, and Pelonio. So, tingnan na lang natin kung sino yung ating magiging kasurog player of the game.
Okay, so tinahintayin natin kung sino ang magiging kasurog player of the game. So, hintayin natin si Carmela Batnao. Tingnan natin muna yung mga highlights. Also, we would like to thank Congressman Saldico for bringing again Ako Bicol Cup here in Kamsur. Maraming salamat po, and also ako Bicol Party List, maraming salamat po.
Yes, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Yes.
And we also would like to again inform you na after this game, meron pong San Jose versus
Presentasyon. I think that's San Jose and
yes,
Presentasyon.
San Jose and Presentacion.
So, highlights again. Okay, so ayun, kasama na ni Carmela ang ating kasurog player of the game. So, again, this is Coach Paul with Coach Peter Barcelon. So, Carmela, pasok!
And now, I'm with the Kasurug player of the game. Walang iba kundi si John Martirez, garnering 33 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. So John, first of all, congratulations. Ano ba yung naging motivation mo at naipanalo niyo pa rin ito, even though ito na yung last game niyo dito?
First of all, salamat po ako Bicol Cup, and sa lahat kay Congressman Saldico, and sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Ako Bicol Cup Kamsur Leg. Salamat po sa opportunity. Kahit papano nabigyan kami ng chance makalaro dito sa ligang ito. So yung binigay sa amin ni Coach Martirez bilang last game na namin to ay go enjoy lang the game. Then follow the game plan. Yun lang po.
Alright, may gusto ko bang pasalamatan o shout out? Go ahead.
Salamat si Ruma sa pagbigay ng opportunity po sa akin. And then sa lahat ng aking teammates. And sa Barangay Carreruya. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, John, and once again, congratulations. Muling magbabalik ang Ako Bicol Cup para sa Game 3.